Hello friends, welcome to Vidyan Pathshala. Make learning smart and easy. I am an educator for social science, Neha Shah, and we are covering the first chapter of history of class 9th, that is French Revolution. In the last classes, we almost completed this topic. Today, we will discuss one point and we will conclude with some important questions of this chapter. The last point we are left with, that is revolution and everyday life. After French Revolution, what the impacts of the revolution on the people of France? The people of France during this revolution, they have faced so many things. So many things impacted on their lives. Men, women, children, they faced so many changes. The revolutionary government took it upon themselves to pass laws that would translate the ideals of liberty and equality into everyday practice. The message that we get from French Revolution, that was liberty and equality. Liberty and equality was just two words that were uh, the concept only understood by the educated people. Okay, but now after revolution in 1789, they abolished the censorship. Censorship means in the old regime, the people they write something. If they write something, they made any play. So that was only uh, published uh, for the people only after when the government was satisfied that yes, these things people can see or people can read. Like in revolution, we know that the importance of Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu was very much. Why? Because of their writings. So the old regime understood that through writing, people can change, can bring a big change in the society. So they censored the writings, the plays, the songs that were written, the newspapers. We all know that through Robespierre, when the Robespierre was in power, he closed down so many political parties, the pamphlets, and the clubs, political clubs, etc. So the censorship was abolished by the new government. The new government decided that everybody can write anything what they want to. They can read what they want to. They can act what they want to. So this is how the idea of the idea of liberty and equality was not only um, limited in the educated people, but also through the plays, the people who cannot read. Suppose you cannot read but you can see. You can suppose you are going to see a play that is staged by few people who have come from the town. So if they will show you through their play the idea of liberty and equality, you will be understood that yes, this is the idea that we have to follow. If you like that idea, you can follow that. ओके, सो इस तरह से जो पढ़ते नहीं थे उनको भी ये जानने का मौका मिला कि आइडिया ऑफ लिबर्टी जस्टिस ये क्या है, व्हाट इज दिस। एंड जो फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच जो था वो लोगों का नेचुरल राइट बन गया दैट टाइम, एट दैट टाइम। थ्रू प्रिंट मीडिया वी हम लोग अभी न्यूज़ कैसे देखते हैं? थ्रू प्रिंट मीडिया, थ्रू टीवी। तो उस टाइम तो टीवी नहीं था, तो थ्रू प्रिंट मीडिया, न्यूज़पेपर, पैम्पलेट्स, बुक्स एटसेट्रा। इस तरह से गाँव की खबरें शहर जाने लगी, शहर के आइडियाज़ गाँव आने लगे और इस तरह से सब लोग पीपल स्टार्टेड ग्रास्प एंड आइडेंटिफाई द आइडिया सच एज़ लिबर्टी, इक्वालिटी, justice, etc. So here we have reached to the conclusion of the chapter. In 1804 नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट कैप्चर्ड द थ्रोन। फ्रांस का जो सिंहासन था वो नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ने कैप्चर किया इन 1804। ओके, नेपोलियन बोनापार्ट ने वो बहुत सारे लॉज लेकर आए जो कि काफ़ी हद तक बहुत अच्छे थे सोसाइटी के लिए, लाइक प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी का प्रोटेक्शन। दे ही स्टार्टेड टू गिव प्रोटेक्शन टू द प्राइवेट प्रॉपर्टी एंड द वेट सिस्टम एंड मेजर सिस्टम प्रोवाइडेड बाय द डेसिमल सिस्टम। डेसिमल सिस्टम के थ्रू वो वेटेज सिस्टम वेट एंड मेजर्स में चेंजेस लाए थे। इनिशियली लोगों को लगा कि चलो ये तो अच्छा है, नेपोलियन बहुत अच्छे काम कर रहे हैं, तो उन्होंने धीरे-धीरे क्या करना स्टार्ट किया, ही स्टार्टेड टू कैप्चर ऑल द आस-पास के जितने भी डायनेस्टीज़ थे, डायनेस्टी मीन्स वहाँ पे कोई राजा है, वो राज कर रहा है, तो वो सब कैप्चर करके वो उन्होंने एक बहुत बड़ा एम्पायर बना लिया था। और उन्होंने क्या किया, वहाँ जहाँ पे वो कहीं भी कुछ कैप्चर कर रहे थे, तो वहाँ पे अपनी फैमिली के किसी को राजा बना के वहाँ पे बिठा दे रहे थे। सो दिस इज़ द प्रॉब्लम पीपल स्टार्टेड टू फील व्हेन दे realized that rather than a good king, Napoleon was a invader. Okay, Napoleonic armies came to viewed everywhere as an invading force. Then finally, in War of Waterloo in 1850, Napoleon lost the war and he was sent to the prison. Okay, many of his laws are still had very have a very long impact even after Napoleon Bonaparte. After so many years of Napoleon Bonaparte, his laws were very much impactful on people. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of French Revolution. तो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन से हमें लिबर्टी एंड डेमोक्रेसी का जो आइडिया मिलता है वो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो लिबर्टी एंड डेमोक्रेसी के आइडियाज़ में फ्यूडल सिस्टम यूरोप में उस वक़्त जो सबसे प्रॉब्लमेटिक एक सिस्टम था फ्यूडल सिस्टम, वो फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के बाद खत्म हो जाता है। And the idea that democracy and liberty that was acknowledged by our Indian हम लोगों ने उनका नाम सुना है, राजा राम मोहन राय एंड टीपू सुल्तान। बोथ दे एक्नॉलेज्ड द idea of French Revolution and they appreciated it. So these are the expected questions. Reasons of French Revolution, role of philosophers, Rousseau, Voltaire, Montesquieu, and importance of tennis court oath. So these three questions are very important from this chapter. In the previous videos, I have made the videos the way that you will not face any kind of problem when you are making these answers of these questions. So please go through the previous videos and I hope you liked the chapter. We will come soon with the next chapter. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.